Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are safe in your homes with your family and you all are attending the e-classes, enjoying the e-classes. So I'm very happy to see you all here. So today we are going to learn chapter 3, Animal World. In this chapter we'll learn about the animals. You see animals around our homes. You see many animals. We see the different types of animals have different size. Different kinds of animals live in different types of places. Some animals live on trees and some live in water. Some live on land and some under the ground. Some fly in the sky. So now in the picture below you can see the squirrel lives in the tree, rabbit lives in a burrow, giraffe lives under the shade of the trees. Birds fly in the sky. It also makes a nest. The duck lives both on land and water. Lion lives in den. So from this picture it is clear you can understand the different animals live in different places. So now some animals are of different sizes also. So let's learn about the sizes of animals. Some animals are very big, like elephant and giraffe. You have seen elephants and giraffe. They are very tall animals. They are very big in size. And some animals are big, like lion, tiger and zebra. Some animals are small, like deer and monkey, like rat, rabbit, squirrel are small animals. And some animals are very small, like houseflies, mosquitoes and rats. So here about the sizes of the animals we learn. Some are very big, some are very small. Now about the movement in the animals. We see that animals move from one place to another. Can you tell me why the animals move from one place to another? They move mainly to look for the food and water. They move because they feel hungry. They are living beings. They feel hungry. They move from one place to another in search of food and water. Second, they look for the shelter. Third, they protect themselves from enemies. The animals move from one place to another. First, in search of food and water, for shelter, and to protect themselves from their enemies. So how do they move? It is written here, movement on land. Animals like cheetah, horse and zebra are good runners. These animals are very good runners. They use their strong legs to run fast. If you want to run fast, what should be there? Your legs should be very strong. So these animals run very fast and they have very strong legs. Animals like cow, buffalo and elephant walk on the land with their 4 legs. You have seen animals have 4 legs. Human beings have 2 legs. Most all the animals have 4 legs. Animals like apes and bears can walk with their 2 hind limbs. And there are animals like apes and bears. What are apes? You know, gorilla, chimpanzee. They are called apes. They move with their 2 hind limbs. What are hind limbs? Hind limbs are the 2 back limbs. पीछे के जो पाँव होते हैं, legs होते हैं जो animals के, they are called the 2 hind limbs. Kangaroo, grasshopper and rabbit are hopping animals. These animals move by hopping. वो hop कर करके move करते हैं. Reptiles like lizard, tortoise, turtles and crocodiles have the legs but they crawl on the ground. You have seen these animals, they crawl on the ground. वो रेंग रेंग के चलते हैं ground पे. Snakes and earthworms have no legs. Snakes जो होते हैं और earthworms होते हैं, they don't have the legs. They also crawl on the ground. वो भी crawl करके ही चलते हैं ground पे. Insects like ants, beetle, lice and bugs have 6 legs to walk or crawl. और इनके क्या होते हैं? Insects. What are insects? The insects are the small animals which have 6 legs. Now in the picture we can see the insects. An ant is there, a luce is there, They move by crawling. Now, movement in the air. Birds fly in the air. They move in the air. How do they move? Birds have wings to fly. Birds fly with the help of their wings. They move in the air from one place to another. Even insects like wasps and butterflies have two pairs of wings to fly. The houseflies have only one pair of wings to fly. Even bats have wings to fly. So, the birds fly in the air with the help of their wings. Do you know all the birds do not fly? सारी birds उड़ते नहीं हैं. All the birds don't fly. Some birds like kiwi, ostrich and penguin have weak wings. You can see here the birds, that is kiwi, penguin, ostrich. They cannot fly. Why they cannot fly? Because they have weak wings and cannot fly. Penguins have flippers that are used for swimming. And penguins के क्या होते हैं? Flippers होते हैं जिससे कि वो swimming करते हैं. Now about how movement in water. Fishes have neither legs nor wings. They swim in water with their fins. Fishes के ना तो legs होते हैं और न ही उनके wings होते हैं. How do they move in water? They move with their fins. Frogs and ducks swim by pushing the water with their webbed feet. And the turtles swim with the help of flippers. So in this chapter we learnt about the sizes of animals and their different movements in the animals. So just read this chapter and do the given assignments. And then if you have any doubt, you can just ask me.